everybody.
Hi everybody.
Welcome to Hacking Life with Jessie. Today we are going to make a snow volcano. It's really cold outside, so we're going to start it in the house.
Yeah.
And get it ready in the house, and that way we can do it real quick outside and try it out. I saw a recipe for this come across Facebook, and we wanted to try it out.
Okay.
So first we're going to add baking soda.
Okay. Yep.
It says 2 spoonfuls of baking soda.
Yep.
We're going to put it into our solo cup, so we can just throw the cup away when we're done. 2 spoonfuls of baking soda. And
some soap.
Dish soap. This
Yep.
is just Dawn dish soap.
Yep.
And I saw somebody commented that adding extra works good. So it calls for 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to make 2 tablespoons.
Yeah, and I'm going to put this in right now.
And then Quinn is going to drop in here. She's going to drop in some blue food coloring. You can see it. Our food coloring is kind of empty. Let's see. There we go. Now squeeze it.
No.
And see what it looks like in there.
Ew.
Oh, it's on your hand. I'll wash it off. So we're putting it all in the solo cup, and then you're supposed to build a volcano of snow around the solo cup, and then when we get outside we'll add vinegar, and this is supposed to explode over just like a volcano would over your snow. So we'll get back to you in a minute. All right, so it's really cold outside, and the cup is just sitting in the snow because it's so hard. So Sylvan is doing the honors.
It's not going on, I think.
And it didn't do anything yet. We might just need some more. Or maybe it's just too cold. It looks like it's starting to do something though. And Dad's gonna get some more vinegar. I didn't mix everything though either. I just threw it in there. Maybe I should have mixed it up.
Oh, Dad!
Nothing yet. I said maybe I should have mixed it up. I didn't think about that.
Okay, ready?
Oh,
Ready?
So, that a lot. Like maybe the whole thing.
Yeah,
maybe I could have added more food coloring, huh?
maybe. It's cold. I think the cold that really gets it.
Can I put ice in it?
So
do
next
whatever you want.
time, next time we'll add
Wait,
more food
wait.
coloring because apparently the blue didn't show up.
Wait,
Oh, they're adding ice.
Come here. I got it. Something big.
It's still bubbling up. Okay, the first go around, I put 2 spoons of dish soap in because I was reading reviews and it said that 2 spoons of dish soap is better. So this time we're gonna try 2 spoons of baking soda and only 1 spoon of dish soap. One spoon of dish soap. And then I'm also going to mix it up this time because last time I didn't mix it up and I feel like it should have been mixed up. And then I'm going to get a different color of food coloring because that didn't work last time. I didn't have enough. Alright, this time we're going to do green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How about that? Green. Yep, we'll try green. We'll see what happens. But now it's all stuck to the spoon. We'll see if this makes any difference.
to make it green.
Here we go.
No, all of it.
All right, so here's the green food coloring one.
I'm putting all in it. All of it.
Oh,
Nope.
no,
Nope.
don't put anything in it yet.
Is it
Wow,
supposed
that
to
was 10 drops of food coloring.
be more?
And we used a lot more vinegar than it called for.
And I put all of it
I feel like we could still have a lot more food coloring because that's a very light color of green.
in. Again.
Woo! Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Again.
Thanks for watching.
Thank-
Okay, here we are. We brought the remainder of the cup in the house and we put it in the sink because there's still baking soda and stuff at the bottom. So Sylvan is gonna dump in a little bit of
All of it.
vinegar. Okay, stop. Watch.
It's swelling.
Not.
It's swelling. It's going in too.
I do it. I do
Here,
it.
look.
I do it.
Let's add some green. Add some green
all
and
falling
put a little
off.
bit more.
Just
Ready?
let go.
Let's do it together. I don't need the whole jug in there. Stop.
Oh, it's nothing more. It's so swelling.
No, I do it.
We don't need the whole jug in there though.
Yes, we do. Oh, Dad.
Whoa!
It's the continuous volcano.
It's a
Can
big.
you refill the whole sink in it with it?
Maybe this will clean the sink good. The garbage disposal.
Do it! Do it!
Can we?
Too bad we don't have any Mentos. We put Mentos, they explode
I know what
and do
milk.
this.
I
You
know
see
what
that?
Mentos, yeah. I've seen it with soda though, not that.
Yeah, you put
It's
Mentos in
making a
soda.
bowl. Can
I think
combine
Diet Coke. I
together?
think Diet Coke was the best.
Yeah, I think so. Alright.
It's making bubbles. I love bubbles.
Yeah.
Can I wash it out?
You're so good.
No, Quinn.
Well, that was fun. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for
Okay, I'm
watching.
gonna wash it out now.
Bye.